Okay, I'm back out at the van. I thought I'd do a little story time and some example of what I've been doing to the outside of the van. This is the old style. It's not an old one. It's not the old style, but this is a basic, this is the scratched 100 watt panel I put on here. I also had another 150 watt panel, but it actually blew off because I didn't secure it well. So I put one of those Renogy panels in. Renogy is not the only one that has these textured surface panels, but it's the one I know well, so I've been buying them. This is this 160 watt panel. This 100 watt panel is all I could get in here for one good reason here, is because this is behind. Right here I have a gas cap or a gas reservoir behind there. So I've got some Velcro so I can actually put in and fill it up behind this panel. But since I'm having issues with that rear tank, it's not even a big deal right now. But we'll have to see how that goes. But I can, actually fill up that rear tank, assuming I ever get the switch system to work correctly, which should be working up fine on this thing, but it's not. This is the replacement panel I got for the one that blew off. It's 150 watt Suzuki. Nothing wrong with Suzuki panels. I think quite a few of the panels on top of here were Suzuki, and quite a few are. But I have another panel, not necessarily a Suzuki. I have no idea what the vendor was. The first two panels I put on there, the one I removed because of the delamination before, I replaced it with one of these Renogy panels. And I'm sure Renogy is not the only one. In fact, I'm certain they're using these textured panels. And these textured panels appear to be a little bit more, at least obviously, built to prevent this slick delamination I've got here. So this one's about to go. So I'm thinking this is going to be the next one that leaves. Maybe at the end of the summer. But I just wanted to give you, and this is the one on the other side. By the way I secured that one on the other side is correct. I don't know what I was thinking, but I do have to put these self-tapping screws in here. This is the one that you've seen for a while on this side. On the other side is a new one. And I have the other one. I have another one like this, and it also has the self-tapping screws in. That's just to make sure these panels stay on, because they could blow off, and I found out really fast with the other one. Now I have a few of them here. I have one here and here, and down here I've left just Velcro down here. I'm not afraid of it blowing off when I've got it secured here, but what I can do now is pull this Velcro loose when I need to and get back there to that tank and put gas in. So that's it. I've got another thing about the Zero Breeze and my experiences with it, but I'll talk about that on another video. This one is just about the panel edition, which is this one over here with a panel subtraction and an addition, I guess you would call it. I just had to get rid of the old panel because it blew off because I didn't have it secured correctly like this. So I just made sure I didn't do that again with this new panel. So I'm pretty much got 75% of this van covered with panels. I've heard people putting them on the hood. I don't think I'm going to do that. And besides, the way I would put it on now, it's not going to work on that hood. In any case, that's all I've got to say on that. And I'll be back and we'll discuss some more things. And the Zero Breeze. Using the Zero Breeze in the heat wave that's been affecting the United States has been very successful. And I will describe how it's been successful and how I'm using it later.